Hi, I'm Gareth. We're down here at Carrara Boat Ramp in Nerang River today. We're going to show you a little bit about cruising the river and how much fun you can have in the back estuaries of the Gold Coast. Nerang River always interests me, especially to go for a river cruise, for a couple of reasons. There's some fantastic fishing spots up here, but there's also some incredible architecture as well. So we're talking like a 30-year-old house here on a prime block of land, you know, completely contrasting with multi-million-dollar houses that are relatively new or being renovated. And while we've just pulled up here as well, interesting point, we've got a cross current through here. So on another day where I'm just going out for fish, I'll be flicking lures in here for trevally or even live baiting. So they like to hang where there's a cross current or an eddy, which is pretty much why we've stopped drifting now. Interesting, Nerang River always brings the goods.
The thing I like about this run is the diversity of the trip. You know, you can go half an hour up the waterway, and in that time you've seen all the multi-million-dollar houses, you've seen centre of surfers paradise, and then gone all the way out to the other side of the Broadwater and nice restaurants and marinas, and then you can do it all again in reverse on the way home.